Hi, I'm Jasmine. We're back with another tutorial. This tutorial will focus on the string method, a method that uses C strings to locate functions in Geometry Dash. We're going to start off with the files from our last video and the bindings from our last video. We're going to jump into our first example here. Let's say you want to find the function with this string. Note the colors here. If you want to include the colors, then I'll have a link to the color codes in the description. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to search if a song has the address. Editor footnote: to access the memory searcher, you can press the S key on your keyboard, or you could go to the top bar and click search and then click memory. And so we're going to search that here. And as you can see right here is the function NewgroundsInfoLayer onInfo. This is the these are the cross references here. You gotta go through them right here. So let's go to the Windows binary, and we're going to repeat the same process. Alright, right here we have the function address here, but be sure to check the function body. About roughly the same here, so we'll note that in our bindings. We will also repeat the process for the macOS and iOS binaries. So let's do that here. This is already found. This is also already found. This is not already found, and let's check the addresses here. Yeah, they match, so we'll note these in our bindings. Before we go, I'm going to note two edge cases you will encounter using this method. The first is the usual inline expansion. Let's say you want to find a function with this string. Right here. Do you want to continue? I'm just gonna search out do you want to continue. So right here, you'll find that this is AccountHelpLayer verifyUnlink. And so when we go to the Windows binary and type the same string, you'll see that the inside of the function is actually in a different function, AccountHelpLayer FL alert clicked. So since this isn't Mac OS, our best bet here is to just recreate the function, which I have already done here. The next edge case, and the last one I'd like to talk about, is pretty egregious, and it's most likely to happen on the Mac OS binaries. We're going to take a function, SpriteDescription, initDescription to show you how this edge case might crop up when you're looking through strings. You see this right here? This is supposed to be a position, but it's inlined into the assembly instructions. Yuck. So if you use the string method and it fails on macOS, this might be the reason, and you'd have to fall back to a different method like the reference method, which I talked about in my previous video. This one, however, is normal, so you could use that one. A bit shorter than usual, but I hope I explained everything correctly. The next video will focus on the comparison method, a method I personally use to locate macOS and iOS functions. In any case, that's all I have for you today. If you have any questions or comments about this, please put them below. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe. And as always, have a nice day. Thank you.